Mirael Sabathiel is a renegade of the Adeptus Sororitas during the era Indomitus. Formerly a Sister Superior of the Order of Our Martyred Lady, following the battle upon the jungle world of Verdicon, her forces were decimated by the Emperor's Children Traitor Legion. Taken prisoner by the Demon Prince of Slaanesh, Balzaroft, her months of agonized screaming delighted the senses of the champion of She Who Firsts, the being offering her a means to end her suffering should she surrender to the embrace of chaos. The only known Sister of Battle to willingly succumb to the temptations of the ruinous powers of her own free will, Sister Mirael disgraced her martial creed, transforming into a willing pawn of the Lord of Excess. Hunted by Canoness Olga Karamans of the Order of Our Martyred Lady in her attempts to rescue her former subordinate to free her from the clutches of damnation. Upon the world of Kuldras Prime, Sabathiel commit free mass exterminations of its populace in hopes of luring the Canoness to her. Lurking within the capital of Namgorod at the frozen northern peak of Kuldras Prime, Sabathiel's actions forced the regent of Kaerograd, Pavlov Kurtz, to inform the Order of her bloodshed. Diverting from the nearby conflict of the Pyrrhus Reach, as the local Catcher of Men, Lowen Teggett, tracked Sabathiel's location, the former stormtrooper's efforts led Canoness Karamans and her subordinates, Sister Elias and Bernadette, to Mirael's position. Struck by the terror lurking in the dark, Teggett saw his arterial blood jet into the air as whispers convinced him to face his chasers. Bernadette struck down by a cyberlure. Elias was struck down by her fallen sister's flamer, as it seemingly misfired. The killing blow to Elias struck by a las round, fired by Lowen. Mirael ignored the offers of redemption offered by Canoness Karamans as she plunged her sword through her spine. Offering Lowen Teggett the opportunity to serve at her side as her friend, the bounty hunter accepted her bargain of fealty as another willing pawn to her master, Balzaroft. Preying upon the Eldari species as the primary nemesis of the followers of Slaanesh, the Adeptus Sororitas continued to hunt the reminder of their first willing betrayer of their faith in the Emperor. For should such knowledge become widespread within the zeitgeist of the Imperium, potential ruin could befall the Adeptus Sororitas, knowing their zealous righteousness is not beyond reproach.